First of all, let's create a new document. So go to File, New, and let's set the width to 85 millimeters and the height to 55 millimeters. The resolution is 300 pixels per inch, and the color mode is set to CMYK, which is better for printing. Background contents are set to white. Click Create. And let's now right click here on the top and let's choose New Document. And Photoshop remembers your last setting, so just click Create. Create the same document again. Now go to Window Arrange, to up horizontal. Now you can see both the documents at the same time. Let's zoom out this one and let's go to Window Arrange, Match Zoom. Now let's pick the horizontal type tool. Pick a color you like. I'm using Myriad Pro. On a regular, set to 12 for the size. Let's click and type a name. Let's type any name that you might like. So Mark Anthony. Sounds cool. Click here. Then let's hold the left mouse button here and let's pick Align tool. I'm using a yellow color for the stroke. A Pantone color, you can see it here. And 8 for the size. And just hold the Shift key and drag a line like this. You can even go outside of the document a bit. I'll select the Move tool and let's drag this line closer to the text. And let's select the text. Select text layer, hold the Shift key and click and drag until it aligns with the line. In order for this automatic alignment to happen with the pink lines that help you, make sure you go to View, that Snap is checked, and also I think, yes, from Show, make sure that the Smart Guides option is also checked. Let's now hold the Control key and select also the line there. Now that both the line and the text layer are selected, click right here to create a new group. Let's double click here and let's rename it to Name or Logo or Logo or whatever you like. Hold the Control key now to also select the background layer, and you can click here to align the vertical centers. You can see now it's beautifully aligned. Let's select the name, hold the Alt key, hold also the Shift key and just drag it to the other document. Now you can hold the Shift key again and let's drag it a bit upwards. Let's expand the group layer from here by clicking on this little arrow. Let's select the text layer, hold the Alt key and hold the Shift key. to make a copy of it. Now hold the Alt and Shift key again and notice how the smart guides show you the distance between the layers. Alt and Shift again to make a third copy. And as you can see, in my case, it's showing 0.39 centimeters or 39 millimeters. This means that the distance between the three new text layers is the same. Just release the Alt and Shift. Let's select the Mark Anthony copy, this text layer copy. Let's double click on it and let's type the phone number. I'll just type in something random here. This is not a real number. And hit Ctrl plus Enter, commit it. Let's select the other one and let's type in the website markanthony.com. And click here to commit it. And let's select this one, double click on it, and let's type in the email address markanthony@gmail.com. Control plus Enter. And you can make the name bold to add a bit of contrast. Let's double click the layer with the name and let's change it to bold. Control plus Enter. Go to the other document, again expand the group and double click and change it to bold. Control plus Enter again to commit it. And let's get back here to this one. Let's change the mode to smaller size. Let's set them to 9. So you can affect all the layers by selecting one of them. Hold the Shift key, select the top. Now that you selected the 3 text layers, and then you select the horizontal type tool. And if you change the size or any other settings here, it will affect all of the layers at the same time. Now, if you want to know the safe area for printing, you can go to View and choose New Guide Layout and just set 0.4 centimeters to each side to add a guide to each side of the document. That's 4 millimeters in distance from the edges of the document and hit OK. Now this 4 millimeters to the side of the document will be most likely cut when the business cards are being printed. So make sure that any important information or parts of the design are contained in this area right here, which is set, as you can see, at a distance of 4 millimeters to each side. You can even create a new layer. Let's name it safe zone. Then you can go to edit fill with 50% gray, for example, opacity 20%, hit OK. And now you can see which area is safe, and you can hide this. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you like it and want to see more tutorials like this, you can subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel. Thank you.